Introducing HiBREW H7B Coffee Machine. Today we will make an iced coffee latte. Add fresh coffee beans to the grinder and start grinding. Fill your handle with coffee and place it into the machine. Turn the machine on. Adjust the temperature and cup volume to your preference. Start the extraction and wait until it's finished. Next, take a cup and add whipped cream. Then pour in condensed milk followed by normal milk. Finally, add your freshly extracted espresso coffee. Enjoy your iced coffee latte made with HiBREW.